Expecting to see some bit of work there from Amidu Akwa in the box, and again ball taken off his feet, and Vision will have to come in.
Things you expect to see there from the side is a performance, and is always being rewarded,
and Vision seem to be coming in with something spectacular.
We are growing in confidence minute by minute, especially having two of the Kotoko defenders booked. It's allowing the attackers to play with some freedom. This time again, we've seen Measure Ajete dropping deep, trying to begin that transitional play for them before he was being halted by Seth Kujo. Himself has been tasked to shield the back four of Kotoko in this game.
Centre back is the one who's in the goal scoring there too, and timely interception there coming in beautifully from Ridwan Ali, and showing that Kotoko do not create any havoc there for the versatile footed ball into the far post, and Asante Kotoko would have to deal with this one, but the quality save there from Godwin Amatefe, and the centre referee just seeing a little bit of a push there.
It's been the situation all afternoon, quite a lot of fouls. Each time there's a
Patrick Asiedu's ball, and Johnson in there, getting bit into it. Asante Kotoko trying to retain possession just around the 18-yard box of Vision. Just a farmer controls back to Samba Iduakwa, and he wins it back for Asante Kotoko. Goes round player, and it is going to be a moment for Asante Kotoko, and Johnson's ball has been well parried away by goalkeeper Matefe, and that's the pressure Asante Kotoko is really pounding on Vision FC.
Yeah, something we've not seen all game. It was a transition, a quick one, but brilliant pass from Albert Amwa to the feet of Johnson, who was in space over there. No one marking him. Does well to just hit that one, and Amatefe have to put everything behind that ball.
Set piece to the far post once again. Asante Kotoko has been headed down once again, and there's going to be a counter-attack here. Asante Kotoko able to run up. Control first there, Awudu, back to Sanja. Imano. And look at the way Vision not under any pressure at all, controlling the game. Farouk here. And Asante Kotoko give the ball away. And again, a lovely strike from outside the box. Just trying to make sure that at least likes of Albert Amwa always in control. Asante Kotoko again giving the ball away to Zaidan El Hassan. And on the right hand side, surging forward. And, piece of work from Vision. Skill there is Mohamed Camara, but again a very excellent pass there, just making sure that precisely like the knives is passing through a batter.
There's a pass
just
for
look
me.
at that. Just
look
at that.
Lovely defense split, and no one saw it coming.
I was looking for the defense splitting passes there. I'm not really lucky about that, and Asante Kotoko once again back to winning possession, and again a let go there from the referee. Very spy there for Vision, and you can see that from the coach. Very excited with a call there from the referee as well.
And not happy with the challenge of this player there. Again, showing too much of the ball. A lovely skill, and Seth Kujo right behind him. Okay, I was there. Only one, but it was a contact, the impact, of that arm.
Fine space down the left hand side. Here comes Zaidan El Hassan. Space now for Imano Sanja. The play trying to look for space to hit the long ball. Camara failing to deal with it the first time, but collect. Again, it's going to be some ball nails interception there. The goalkeeper able to pick it up before that. Okay, taking shot there of Vision Mishak Ajete here. Fancying a long drive there, Mishak. Split the ball to the far side. Awudu here. Another ball lifted into the box, and now Farouk was there, and again it's been well picked up.
It changes a lot.
Mishak, and again saved by Mohamed Camara, and Vision once again asking a lot of questions. That's Kotoko's defense so far. It's been very one-way.
Camara It's been so wonderful so far.
Vision again, another ball to the far side, expecting the run there.
Time on the ball, it's just going to make you work now, and that's what Kotoko are currently doing.
Miduakwa trying to go around his man, Peter Miduakwa in the box, and Miduakwa dragging the ball in. Asante Kotoko again, can't go, and Hubert Gyawu just hitting the ball wide. It's Peter Miduakwa, oh, good save there from Ametefe. And Vision FC would also have the player being booked there for the foul, and that's obviously is Mohamed Awudu. But this man was just pacing and trying to find space.
They just have to be careful there. But good ball. Again, he had to raise alone down there.
End of the first half. But again, credit to Vision FC. We're trying to head Asante Kotoko with the most effort there, but that hasn't really yielded to any results. Asante Kotoko also coming quick to win it back for Asante Kotoko in the box, waiting for it there. Nobody there to attack the ball. Headed down to goalkeeper Metefe. Gyawu now charging forward and trying to find space there. It is Amwa, ball lifted on his part there. He wins it back for Asante Kotoko. And now drifting the ball, Peter Miduakwa. Now advertising a long drive and goes wide. Comes entry. Miduakwa on the left, trying to cut in. Again, his effort down to entry, and yes, it's a foul here. In the back of the post there, entry. Thinks one here. Goalkeeper palms it away. And Kotoko split it past here, entry. Again, he was looking for John. They have to pick up. Hello, Cylinders and Miduakwa again, side netting. Good play now, entry. And find space now to Amwa. And again, to Kotoko pretty well. There's a header here, and Miduakwa wins it for Asante Kotoko. Vision, Sanja. Oh, good play now, and Camara with a very, very quality save as well for Asante Kotoko. That should have been it there for Farouk. And Vision, having a lot of vision there, the 18-yard box of Asante Kotoko.
Yeah, most of the defenders caught square there, caught square, and again, another big chance gone begging for Vision FC. They
able to keep it pretty much low there. Corner kicks given up. Ishak. And Asante Kotoko had featured into one times for Vision before the game then, had scored 3 goals. And you want to see how Ishak again. I was just talking about the man who just scored 3 goals there for Vision FC. And obviously always rely. Kotoko not done yet. Amwa. Good chance now for Gyawu. Blocked beautifully. And again, Labi to their rescue. Asante Kotoko here is that Gyawu will be able to send the ball into the box, and Labi with a diving header. Possession back to Asante Kotoko. Donzo! Shares first touch on the ball there. Very feeble there. Asante Kotoko unable to get the goal here. Marfin Donzo. And the referee trying to make sure. It's Patrick Asiedu. Being pulled from behind. The referee eventually calling it there for Asante Kotoko. Absolutely not looking good for him. Already on the yellow card, and Mohamed Awudu has been shown the exit door after the shed pulling there on Patrick Asiedu. So down to a good chance of free kick ball taken again to the box, and Asante Kotoko will have Gyawu here looking for space, and now the header comes out from Samba O'Neill. Kotoko here, and Amwa just been pushed out, and Patrick Asiedu was just hoping he gets the call. And Vision just on the ascendancy here, just couldn't quite
goalkeeping. And the man in between the sticks for them this time does well to go down.
Serious corner. Asante Kotoko just failing to deal with it. Samba O'Neill feels he's been fouled. Giving the ball away, and Vision seem to be having the chance here, but the flag will obviously go up here. An offside. Abayaya looking for space on the left. Ball whipped in, and this time Kotoko not able to take advantage. Another ball whipped in, and Ametefe comes out. Play there for Asante Kotoko. Mohamed Camara has the ball down, and Ametefe once again calling for a handball. Asante Kotoko. Would have been something cleared. Camara, look at the Vision goalkeeper. How many saves? Look at the save we just made. With Vision FC playing one of the most exciting footballs. Asante Kotoko once again. They've thrown almost everything into the game. They've thrown all the dice there, and midfield once again with a punching effort. And so the scoreline remains Asante Kotoko 0, Vision FC 0. Same scoreline.